Let me ask you something, and I want you to really think about this before you answer. When you were a child, maybe 8 years old, maybe 10, what did you want to become? What was that one dream that made your eyes shine? That dream that you would talk about with so much excitement? Now, fast forward to today, are you living that dream? Or did life happen and somewhere along the way you quietly gave up on it? If that question just made your heart feel a little heavy, then this episode is exactly for you. Stay with me. Welcome to Fluent English with Tara, where every single episode we learn real natural English and we grow as human beings. Because honestly, life is the best English teacher. So, first, let's talk about what it actually means to live your dream. Many people think living your dream means becoming a Bollywood star or a millionaire or traveling the whole world. And yes, those can be dreams, but let me tell you something important. A dream is not always about becoming famous or rich. Sometimes a dream is simply about freedom. The freedom to wake up every morning and feel, yes, this is my life. I am doing what I love. In English, we use a beautiful phrase, to live a life of purpose. Purpose means your reason for being here, your why. For example, I can say she left her corporate job because she wanted to live a life of purpose. Or he finally followed his passion and now he wakes up excited every day. Notice the word passion. Passion means something you love so deeply it doesn't feel like work. What is your passion?
Now, let's talk about segment 2, the moment we stop dreaming and why it happens. Now, here's the part that's going to feel very real, very honest. Most of us, we don't stop dreaming overnight. It happens slowly, quietly. Someone tells you, be practical, get a stable job, stop being unrealistic, and slowly you start believing them. This is called self-doubt, and it is the #1 dream killer in the world, more than money problems, more than time, more than any obstacle outside of you. The biggest enemy of your dream lives inside your head. In English, we call those voices the inner critic, the voice inside that says, you're not good enough, you're not smart enough, it's too late for you. I want to teach you a very powerful English expression right now. Silence your inner critic. It means don't listen to those negative thoughts, push them away. You can use this in daily conversation too. For example, every time I want to try something new, my inner critic starts speaking, but I've learned to silence it. The truth is, every great person you admire, they had the same inner critic. The difference is, they chose not to listen. Let me give something for brain exercise. That is, how question. How did you let go of a dream? Think about it. And in English, try to complete this sentence. I stopped dreaming about dash because dash. Be honest with yourself. Now for segment 3, real stories, real people who chose their dreams. Let me tell you about 2 people. I'm not going to use their real names, but their stories are real. The first person, let's call her Maya. Maya was a brilliant software engineer, good salary, good life, but every night she would come home, open her laptop, and write stories, small stories, big stories. She loved writing. For 5 years, she wrote in secret, afraid of what people would say. Then one day, she published her first story online. The response was incredible. Today, Maya runs a content company with 30 employees, doing exactly what she loves. Now, the second person, let's call him Rohan. Rohan had the same dream. He wanted to become a chef, but his family said, Beta, engineering is better. Rohan listened. he became an engineer, and every single day he wakes up feeling empty. Both Maya and Rohan had dreams, but only Maya chose to honor hers. The word here is honor. To honor your dream means to respect it, to take it seriously, to say, this matters, I matter. In spoken English, you might say, I finally decided to honor my passion for music and started learning guitar at 30. Beautiful sentence, natural, powerful. Now, from this segment, when question. When was the last time you honored your dream? When did you last take one small step toward what you truly want? Think about it and say the answer out loud in English right now. Now, segment 4, the fear of failure, the biggest roadblock. Okay, now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the one thing that stops almost everyone. Fear of failure. Say it with me. Fear of failure. In English, we also say the fear of falling short or the fear of what people will think. Here's something I want you to really hear right now. Are you listening? Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every person who is living their dream today, I promise you, they failed multiple times. They embarrassed themselves, they started over, they cried, they doubted, but they kept going. In English, we have an incredible phrase for this. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. It means no matter how many times life knocks you down, you get back up. Another powerful expression, embrace failure. Embrace means to hold something close, to accept it with open arms. So when you embrace failure, you are saying, I am not afraid of you. You are my teacher. Say this sentence out loud. I embrace every failure because each one is bringing me closer to my dream. Powerful, right? And look at how naturally you just used advanced English. Be honest and try to express it in English, even just one sentence, because naming your fear is the first step to overcoming it. How to start living your dream. Okay, Tara, this is great, but how? How do I actually start? I love this question. Let me give you 3 powerful action steps, and I'm going to teach you the English for each one. Step 1, get clarity. Clarity means being clear. To get clarity on your dream, ask yourself, what would I do if I knew I couldn't fail? Write down your answer. This is called a vision statement, a sentence that describes exactly what you want your life to look like. For example, my vision is to become a confident English speaker who helps others find their voice. See how clear and specific that is? Step 2, take micro steps. A micro step is a tiny, small action, not a giant leap, just one small step every single day. In English, we say, Rome wasn't built in a day. Your dream won't happen overnight, but every day, one micro step. For example, if your dream is to speak fluent English, your micro step today could be watching this podcast, speaking one sentence out loud, or learning one new word. Small, consistent, powerful. Step 3, find your tribe. A tribe means your people. People who support you, believe in you, and push you forward. In English, surround yourself with people who fan your flames, not those who extinguish them. Extinguish means to put out, like putting out a fire. Now, action question. What is one micro step you can take today toward your dream? Say it in English right now. Just one step. What is it? Now, segment 6. The connection between English and your dream. Now I want to talk about something very close to my heart, and it's the reason this channel exists. For so many of you, English is not just a language, it is a door to opportunities, a door to confidence, a door to the life you have dreamed of. Think about it. How many times did you have a brilliant idea but couldn't express it confidently in English? How many times did you stay quiet in a meeting, in an interview, in a conversation because you weren't sure of your English? That silence has a cost, and I don't want that for you. In English, we say, your voice matters, and for your voice to be heard, you need the language, the confidence, and the courage to use it. One very important English phrase I want you to remember: speak up. It means don't stay silent. Share your thoughts, share your ideas, speak up for yourself and your dreams. I want you to practice this sentence. I am working every day to speak up because my ideas and my dreams deserve to be heard. Read it, say it, believe it. Now, reflection question. Has language, specifically English, ever held you back from a dream or an opportunity? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one. Before I close today's episode, I need to say one more thing, and I need you to really hear this. It is not too late. I don't care if you are 20, 30, 40, or 50. I don't care if you tried before and failed. I don't care what people said about you. It is not too late. In English, we have a saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. That tree is your dream, and now is always the right time to begin. Another beautiful expression, a dream doesn't have an expiration date. An expiration date is the date when something expires, becomes useless. But your dream, it never expires. It waits for you patiently. And here's what I truly believe. The fact that you are still watching this video, the fact that you are still learning, still growing, still trying, that tells me your dream is still alive inside you. So please, don't bury it, nurture it. Nurture means to care for something, to help it grow. Nurture your dream like it is the most precious thing you own, because it is. So today's big English lesson wrapped in life wisdom. We learned passion, purpose, inner critic, honor your dream, embrace failure, micro steps, find your tribe, speak up, nurture your dream, and so much more. And the bigger lesson, you have one life, one beautiful, messy, unpredictable, incredible life, and you get to decide what you do with it. Don't let fear write your story. Don't let doubt be your narrator. You hold the pen. This is Tara from Fluent English with Tara, reminding you that your English and your dreams are both worth fighting for every single day. If this episode moved you, if it made you think, if it made you feel something, please hit that like button. Share this with one friend who needs to hear it today. And subscribe, because every week we do this together. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep speaking, keep dreaming, and keep growing. Bye for now.